And it started to happen already. It is happening already. I warned you and I told you. You may disregard the agitation for Biafra and tag it as nothing. Because you came, you saw, you conquered, and you colonized. But I'm warning you today, if you continue the wrath.
So that is the preaching from Mazen Makano. And this happened years back. Okay? Let's watch this. Let's listen to this one as well, because
land. What will kill Fulani is hubris. Hubris will kill you. I told you I will draw your army to the east. As I draw your army into the east, Pharaoh will occupy your land, and it's going to happen. Because I know you have stupid pride and ego. You will take the bait because you're Fulani, you're foolish. You will take this place I'm handing over to you. You will come to Biafra land there, we are going to kill you. You will die in Biafra land. You are going to perish there. Your army will die in Biafra land. Fulani Empire, the end of Fulani Caliphate will start from Biafra land. It will start from Orlu. I assure you, it will start from Orlu. The end of Fulani Caliphate in Sokoto will begin in Orlu. Write it down somewhere. I told you this very day.
Did you hear that? Did anybody pay? Did you really pay attention to what Mazakan is saying here? And this is a leader of DOS. So according to them, this is somebody who is leader of DOS. And compare his tone of voice, his fearless voice, and the one of DOS that hiding underground, mining sabotage, because they are not mining anything good. They are underground, working underground, mining sabotage. As you are coming in, please hit that button so that this video will get to many people. I want this preaching, this broadcast to hit every corner, because people have forgotten who the leader of IPOB, Mazen is. He's not the kind of person that pretend or to do something, and wipe cleans his mouth. No, he's a very, very strong man. Very, very strong man. Now listen.
What will kill Fulani is hubris. Hubris will kill you. I told you I will draw your army to the east. As I draw your army into the east, Pharaoh will occupy your land, and it's going to happen. Because I know you have stupid pride and ego. You will take the bait because you're Fulani, you're foolish. You will take this place I'm handing over to you. You will come to Biafra land there, we are going to kill you. You will die in Biafra land. You are going to perish there. Your army will die in Biafra land. Fulani Empire, the end of Fulani Caliphate will start from Biafra land. It will start from Orlu. I assure you, it will start from Orlu.
It will start from Orlu. If you know, you know. If you are following the news, you know. It will start from Orlu. Now, let's continue.
The end of Fulani Caliphate in Sokoto will begin in Orlu. Write it down somewhere. I told you this very day. The end of Fulani Caliphate will start from Orlu in Imo State.
And tomorrow somebody will say, no, Mazen is not a prophet. He was just predicting. Oh my goodness. You see the accuracy, you see his tone of voice, you see how he's not guessing. Does he sound like someone who is guessing what will happen? Guys, hit the like button, click the like button, like this video, it's very, very important. We are 35 watching and only 7 people have liked the video. Please do me a favor, like the video. Now it's 41. Please like. As we are coming, just hit like button. We need to say it the way it is. Compare this Mazen Makano and DOS. Just do the analysis on your own. You don't need somebody to preach to you. Just sit down, listen to this voice, and compare it with DOS. Then you tell me who is following who is getting it right.
Mark it down somewhere. It's called hubris. You're going to get it. Do you know what they did? Your so-called DSS are betting people. Go to the tweet by Senator Shek to say, this Fulani, but sometimes this is like a human being. I don't know, maybe his father, he must ask his mom where she went to before they conceived him. Because he doesn't listen like a typical Janjaweed. He doesn't reason like a typical Janjaweed. In Nupe land, in Niger State, Nupe land is flowing with blood every blessed day. Do you know what DSS said? DSS wrote a memo. The same DSS